Hi everyone. And today we are talking about one of the most commonly used coins in the Eurozone. The 50 euro cent. It's not just pocket change. It's a symbol of cooperation, culture and shared history across 20 countries. Let's begin. The euro was introduced on January 1, 1999, as an electronic currency. But it wasn't until 2002 that physical coins and notes were put into circulation. The goal? To unify the economies of European Union member states and promote easier trade, travel and financial stability. The 50-cent coin, along with the rest of the euro denominations, was designed to reflect this unity, while still honoring each country's unique identity. Let's take a closer look at the design. On the common side, which is the same for all Eurozone countries, we see a map of Europe with 12 stars representing the original EU member states. It was designed by Luc Louix, a Belgian artist, who aimed to show the European Union as a single, connected region, even across linguistic and cultural differences. Now, flip it over, and this is where it gets interesting, the national side. Each country in the Eurozone has its own version of the 50-cent coin. So, a French 50 cent looks different from a German one, even though they have some. Ever noticed that the 50-cent coin has a unique color and shape? It's made of a special alloy called Nordic gold, but don't be fooled by the name. It contains no gold at all. It's actually a mix of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. This gives it durability and a distinct yellow gold hue that makes it easy to spot among other coins. The coin also has 12 edges, making it easy to recognize by touch, especially helpful for the visually impaired. The 50-cent coin is in circulation in over 340 million people's daily lives. It's used across the Eurozone, which includes countries like France, Germany, Spain, Italy, and the Netherlands, and even some non-EU countries like Kosovo and Montenegro. As of recent years, billions of these coins have been minted. It's a favorite for vending machines, public transport, and small purchases. Here's something for the coin collectors out there: some 50-cent coins are rarer than others. The 2007 Finnish edition is known for its pristine design and low mintage. So, if you're into numismatics, yes, that's the fancy word for coin collecting, keep your eyes open. The 50-cent coin is often called the half euro, even though no coin officially uses that term, despite its size. It's actually lighter than some smaller denomination coins, thanks to its alloy. In 2002, some vending machines had to be recalibrated because they couldn't distinguish between the 50-cent and the older national coins. So, the next time you pull out a 50-cent coin, remember, it's more than metal. It's a symbol of shared history, cooperation, and European identity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments.